Hi everybody, Jo here from Aldertons in the beautiful northern Costa Blanca, Spain. Are you thinking of moving to Spain, relocating or buying a holiday home over here? Then I'm going to ask you to do one thing, and that's stop. Stop right now from signing up before you even step over here with solicitors who promise you that they will sort out your residency or the conveyancing of a house you've not even found yet. Stop signing up to these people. Why? Why do you have to stop signing up to these people before you come out? Because some of these people are based in the wrong area of Spain. You pay your money up front to them and then they want to try and convey or manage the sale of a property. They've never even been into the town that that property is located in. And one of the major things here in Spain is every town has its own rules and regulations with regards to planning. Now, not all solicitors are shoddy by a long stretch. As a good reputable property agent, as a relocation agent, I can put you in contact with so many solicitors that are in the area that you need to be focusing on for the property that you found. So please, the solicitor isn't the first part of your project. The solicitor is near the end. Together we can find the right solicitor that will work correctly for you for the property that you are buying. But until you've found the property, there is no point engaging the services of a solicitor to do conveyancing on a property that hasn't even been sought for yet. The first part of your journey should be investing in finding the right property finder, the right relocation agent who's going to work with you to A, find the property, and B, work with you on the immigration side of things. Contact me today at Aldertons of Spain and I will send you through our brochure giving you all the details of our services and how we can get the right visa for you in the right town and the right location so that your new life in Spain or your holiday home in Spain will be absolutely perfect. Speak soon.